From barrel jeans to flared silhouettes, discover the styles that will dominate 2025. Are your favorite jeans still in style for 2025, or are they aging your wardrobe? What denim trends are taking over this year, and how can you style them effortlessly? Most importantly, which one is perfect for you? In this video, we're uncovering the top 2025 jean trends you need to know. Stick around because trend number 4 might be the ultimate game changer. Struggling to keep up with denim trends? Unsure which styles work for you, or if your favorite jeans are still in fashion? And don't forget to subscribe for more style-savvy tips. Trend number 1, artisanal denim, craftsmanship takes the spotlight. In 2025, it's not just about wearing jeans, it's about wearing art. Artisanal denim is redefining the market, focusing on handcrafted techniques, intricate embroidery, patchwork detailing, and small batch creations crafted by local designers. Unlike mass-produced jeans, these artisanal pieces bring personality and story to your wardrobe. Designers like Simon Miller and niche boutique brands are pioneering this movement, ensuring sustainability and individuality in every thread. How to style it? Balance the statement factor by pairing artisanal jeans with neutral, solid-colored tops. A plain white blouse or a tailored blazer works wonders in letting the craftsmanship shine. Opt for minimalist accessories to avoid overwhelming the outfit. Pro tip: look for brands or local artisans specializing in limited-run collections. Not only are you investing in a unique piece, but you're also supporting sustainable practices and small businesses. Why it works. Artisanal denim aligns perfectly with the growing demand for individuality and eco-conscious fashion. It's unique, luxurious, and ensures you stand out in a crowd. Trend number 2, tech-infused denim, fashion meets. Everyday elegance for women. In 2025, denim goes high-tech with innovations designed to elevate both comfort and style for women, no matter the season. Leading brands like Levi's and Hugo Boss are collaborating with tech experts to create fabrics that adapt to your body's needs. Imagine wearing jeans that stay cozy on brisk winter mornings, yet remain breathable during sunny afternoon outings. And for women with busy lifestyles, anti-odor properties make tech-infused denim perfect for long days or active schedules. How to style it? Pair these sleek modern jeans with a tailored blouse and block-heeled boots for a polished daytime look. For evenings, swap in a satin cami and statement jewelry to balance tech-forward designs with feminine elegance. Pro tip: seek out versatile options like jeans with adjustable hems or multi-way closures, offering the flexibility to transition seamlessly from casual brunches to evening get-togethers. Why it works for women in 2025. Tech-infused denim provides unparalleled functionality. These jeans are the ultimate blend of practicality and sophistication. Trend number 3, sculpted silhouettes, perfectly tailored. Jeans for every woman. 2025 brings a wave of sculpted denim designs that celebrate femininity and body positivity. These jeans are crafted to contour and enhance your natural shape, offering a tailored fit without compromising on comfort, combining structure with stretch for a custom-like fit. Whether you prefer a skinny leg, a chic flare, or a classic straight cut, sculpted denim is here to ensure every woman feels confident and stylish. How to style it? Pair high-waisted sculpted jeans with a tucked-in blouse and pointed flats for a polished office look. For weekends, throw on a cropped sweater or fitted leather jacket and ankle boots for an effortlessly chic vibe. Pro tip: look for styles with subtle darting or hidden panels around the hips for added contouring. These little details make a big difference in creating a flattering silhouette. Trend number 4, luxe dark washes, timeless and sophisticated. Straight from Chanel and Kitty's 2025 runways, dark wash denim is solidifying its place as a cornerstone of modern elegance. Think rich indigos, jet blacks, and smoky charcoals with elevated details like contrast stitching or subtle embellishments. Dark washes, particularly those styled in high-rise straight or bootcut fits, dominated collections like Chanel's Canadian tuxedo-inspired ensembles, where jeans paired with matching denim jackets exuded chic confidence. For a daytime outfit, pair deep indigo straight-leg jeans with a tucked-in cream sweater and loafers. Heading into the evening. Pro tip from the runway. Designers are adding subtle sparkle think embellished stitching or understated metallic thread work, making dark denim perfect for low-key glam. Trend number 5, statement pockets. Function meets fashion. Utility-inspired denim is making waves in 2025's eye-catching design. Seen on runways from Versace to Diesel, statement pockets think oversized, multiple, or uniquely placed are turning classic jeans into must-have fashion pieces. Chanel's Resort 2025 showcased refined iterations, pairing deep pocket jeans with minimalist blouses for a perfect contrast between utility and sophistication. Pair cargo-style pocket jeans with a fitted white button down and pointed toe heels for a sleek yet functional look. For a casual day out, opt for light wash jeans with flat front pockets, styled with a cropped cardigan and sneakers. Statement pockets allow you to carry your essentials while looking effortlessly chic. Pro tip: combine with tailored outerwear like a structured trench or a cropped blazer to balance the boldness of the pocket detailing. Accessories in neutral tones, such as a leather tote or minimalist jewelry, keep the focus on your jeans. Trend number 6, dark denim drama, elevated basics. 2025 is the year of dark washes making a powerful comeback. Deep indigo, charcoal black, and rich navy denim are dominating the fashion scene. Designers like Chanel and Gucci are leading the charge, showing that dark denim can effortlessly transition from casual chic to high-end elegance. Dark denim works beautifully in both monochrome and color-blocked outfits. Pair high-rise indigo jeans with a fitted turtleneck and heeled boots for an understated evening look. Add metallic accents like a statement belt or sleek jewelry to enhance the richness of the fabric. Keep the look cohesive with minimal accessories to let the dark wash take center stage. Trend number 7, sculptural denim, the art of tailored fit. 2025 is bringing a high-fashion twist to jeans with sculptural silhouettes that are both artistic and flattering. Think exaggerated pleats, architectural seams. Designers like Stella McCartney and Seikae are embracing this trend, showcasing jeans as statement pieces rather than just staples. Pair of asymmetrical high-waisted jeans pairs perfectly with a sleek silk blouse tucked in to highlight the unique tailoring. For a bolder look, combine sculptural denim with a cropped sweater or a fitted blazer. Finish the outfit with pointed toe boots for added edge. Sculptural denim combines bold design with practicality, offering a sophisticated way to wear jeans without blending into the crowd. For women looking to embrace their creative side, this trend redefines casual elegance in the most dynamic way. Trend number 8, denim with metallic embellishments, glam meets. Every day, for women who love a bit of sparkle, 2025 is bringing denim with metallic embellishments into the spotlight. Think subtle, glittering threads, beaded accents, and rhinestone details that transform basic jeans into glamorous statement pieces. This trend is championed by brands like Alexander McQueen and Gucci, blending luxury with casual wear. The pair metallic detailed straight-leg jeans with a simple white blouse for a polished daytime look, or amp it up with a sequin top for evening events. Accessories like metallic heels or a clutch bag add just the right touch to complete the ensemble. Metallic denim offers a fresh way to add glamour to everyday outfits without feeling overdressed. For women over 30, it's an effortless way to embrace sparkle in a modern, sophisticated way. This trend is a go-to for elevating your jeans game without compromising comfort or style. Step into 2025 with confidence. The denim trends for 2025 are more than just fashion statements. They're a celebration of individuality, elegance, and versatility. This year's styles invite women to redefine how they wear and express themselves through denim. The best part? These trends are as practical as they are stylish, making it easier than ever to balance comfort with cutting-edge design. Whether you're embracing bold flares or layering with all denim ensembles, there's something for every woman to feel empowered and fashion-forward. Which trend are you most excited to try in 2025? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fashion-forward friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more style updates. For even more inspiration, watch our next video on the must-have sweater trends for 2025. Stay chic, stay stylish, and step into 2025 with confidence.